Hey everyone, you're having a pizza night with friends. Everyone's having a blast, the pizza is delicious, and the conversation is flowing. But then comes the awkward moment: who's paying? Ever been there? It's a common dilemma, especially when you're out with friends or family and want to split the bill evenly. That's where Monzo comes in. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Monzo and learn how to make payments effortlessly. So, let's get started. Understanding Monzo. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of payments, let's quickly understand what Monzo is. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a wide range of financial services, including a prepaid debit card. Unlike traditional banks, Monzo is completely digital, meaning you can manage your finances from your smartphone. One of the great things about Monzo is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech whiz. Making payments on Monzo. Now, let's get to the main event. How do you actually pay someone on Monzo? There are a few different ways to make payments on Monzo, and we'll cover them all. 1. Using the Monzo app. The easiest way to make a payment on Monzo is through the app. To make a payment, simply open the Monzo app and tap on the Payments tab. From there, you can choose to pay a contact, pay a bill, or make a request. If you want to pay a contact, you can search for their name or phone number. Once you've found the right person, you can enter the amount you want to pay and send it. If you want to pay a bill, you can add the bill to your Monzo app and pay it directly from there. And if you want to make a request, you can send a request to a contact asking them to pay you a certain amount. 2. Using the Monzo card. You can also make payments using your Monzo card. To make a payment, simply tap your card on the contactless reader. If the reader doesn't support contactless payments, you can insert your card into the card machine and enter your PIN. 3. Using Monzo Pay. Monzo also has a feature called Monzo Pay, which allows you to send money to friends instantly. To use Monzo Pay, you'll need to have the Monzo app installed on both your phone and your friend's phone. Once you've added your friend as a contact in the Monzo app, you can send them money by tapping on their name and entering the amount. Tips for making payments on Monzo. Here are a few tips for making payments on Monzo. Check your balance. Before making a payment, make sure you have enough money in your account, *. Use contactless payments. Contactless payments are quick and easy, so try to use them whenever possible, *. Set up direct debits. If you have recurring bills, you can set up direct debits to pay them automatically, *. Use Monzo Pay for quick payments. Monzo Pay is a great way to send money to friends instantly, *. Conclusion. As you can see, making payments on Monzo is easy and convenient. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, paying a bill, or sending money to family, Monzo has you covered. So, the next time you're out with friends and need to figure out who's paying, just remember Monzo. It's the easy way to pay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.